Rock cycle. Hello future geologists. Today we are going to learn about the rock cycle. Are you ready? Then let's go. First, sedimentary. Second type, metamorphic. Third type is igneous. Each of these rock family have their own special way of forming and change. Igneous rocks are born from fiery volcanoes. First, magma. Second stage, cooled down and hardened. And third, igneous rock. Next up, we have sedimentary rocks. Tiny bits of sand, then shells and animal bones, then tiny bits of rocks. Last but not least, we have metamorphic rocks. Rocks get squeezed and heated. Rock cycle. The rock cycle never stops. Rocks can change from one type to another over and over again. Keep exploring rock stars. You will uncover all the amazing secrets hidden beneath the surface. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.